NVIDIA Corporation is an innovative technology company. Until recently, NVIDIA had dominated the billion-dollar high-performing chip sector. Enhanced competition and decreased consumer demand have caused both revenue and market share to atrophy. Welcome. My name is Arlanne Smart, a Capella MBA student. This is my capstone presentation on ensuring the future of NVIDIA. Like you, I am intrigued by the popularity of NVIDIA Corporation as a company and potential investment opportunity. This presentation discusses NVIDIA's predicament and proposes actionable solutions NVIDIA could pursue to increase revenue, capitalize on strengths and opportunities, and find alternative methods to stabilize NVIDIA's revenue. I will provide plausible recommendations for NVIDIA with a perspective to avoid future entanglements. NVIDIA Corporation has proliferated as an organization through successful acquisitions. Consideration of additional purchases and partnerships should be contemplated, along with different strategies to ensure stabilization for the future. Let's discuss how NVIDIA generates revenue. NVIDIA generates revenue under two primary segments: graphic processor units and Tegra processors that contribute to 5 subdivisions shown here. Review of the 5 segments indicates that video gaming is the largest revenue contributor, shown here in green. The decline in GPU sales is attributable to the lower personal computer and notebook sales. Global and individual computer shipments fell 5% in the first quarter of 2019. Stagnant sales resulted from a slowdown in the Chinese economy, responsible for 25% of NVIDIA's sales. One of NVIDIA's issues is how to address the revenue void left by personal computer sales. Overall business for NVIDIA products remained flat or trending down from 2019 through 2020, except for one sector. I mentioned the decline in revenue due to personal computer sales and a slowdown in the Chinese economy. Let's discuss more of NVIDIA's difficulties. The unpredictable mining of cryptocurrency created the second void of GPU sales. NVIDIA revenue has been trending downward since October 2018 when cryptocurrency mining activities collapsed. Fiscal results for 2019 showed revenue falling 24% year over year, resulting in a $2.2 billion drop. As the economy and demand for GPUs began to deteriorate, crypto mining diminished and the sales of GPUs crashed. NVIDIA stock plunged 31% and NVIDIA reported poor 2018 stock performance to the tune of $23 billion. NVIDIA must be forward-thinking to replace sluggish sales and lost revenue. Potential solutions include expanding and diversifying its product line, marketing current products to complementary industries, or changing course entirely. The fastest way for them to accomplish this is via technology acquisitions and expanding their current position. Let's review the analysis to determine the course of action. A SWOT analysis revealed that NVIDIA has a strong foundation as an innovator in the semiconductor field. NVIDIA is expanding its position in the artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicle areas. These 2 points can increase its exposure. Intensification in the data center market following Mellanox's acquisition would supplement the gaming sector's declining revenues. Moreover, data center growth can fortify the organization if cryptocurrency mining fails in the future. NVIDIA is not capitalizing on GPU usage in the mobile technology market and must commit to making inroads in mobile technology. An acquisition of ARM Holdings is an ideal way to enter this revenue-generating space. A pestle analysis confirmed that the 2020 pandemic caused a significant growth of artificial intelligence usage for the healthcare industry. This growth area signals an opportunity for NVIDIA. Analysis of NVIDIA resources was conducted. Results revealed that the company is tactically positioned to expand its product exposure and take advantage of new technology-driven consumer needs. Acquisitions for NVIDIA have been productive. Like the recent purchase of Mellanox Technologies that has boosted NVIDIA's presence in the data center area. Acquiring ARM Holdings would increase NVIDIA's footprint in the artificial intelligence arena. Additionally, ARM processors power 95% of the world's mobile devices. Mobile is an area that NVIDIA expansion would be beneficial in, as well as signaling another revenue stream. The ARM Holdings acquisition sounds like it might check off a lot of boxes. Technology acquisitions are fast tracks for expansion in the critical areas of need, and NVIDIA has experienced success in corporate broadening in crucial areas following the acquisition of 10 other companies. Industry experts believe the Chinese government will prevent NVIDIA from acquiring ARM Holdings. The United Kingdom is also raising objections that NVIDIA will move ARM headquarters or lay off employees to cripple their economy. If either blocks the ARM deal, it could be damaging, but not game-changing if NVIDIA prepares now. Let's review 3 recommendations to help NVIDIA. Number 1, data centers. Why data centers? NVIDIA GPUs are well suited for volume processing power used by servers and substantial computer networks. The world's fastest supercomputers are powered by NVIDIA GPU chips, and there's a growing need for high-speed networking and cloud data centers. The Mellanox acquisition is beginning to strengthen NVIDIA's data center strategy. During the first quarter of 2020, standalone Mellanox revenue grew 40% year over year to a record $429 million. As of 2018, Tegra processors in the automotive market generated only 1/8 of NVIDIA's total sales. But the segment provides a solid starting point for NVIDIA to expand into the growing autonomous vehicle industry. NVIDIA Drive is the platform module that provides autonomous car and driver assistance. Commitment to drive platform manufacturing will allow NVIDIA to secure identity and expand. NVIDIA's biggest strength, and arguably its most considerable competitive vulnerability, lies in the technology embedded in its core chipset. NVIDIA's GPUs have been optimized primarily for high-volume, high-speed training of AI models. This power means the NVIDIA's GPU technology could be significantly competitive for the current AI inferencing market. Further, the technological application translates to an opportunity for improvement and expansion. Incorporating NVIDIA GPU technology in the AI field could positively improve the company's outlook and revenue prospects. 2 additional strategies NVIDIA should examine are open source or acquiring another company. In May 2020, NVIDIA's chief scientist Bill Daly developed then released an open source design for a ventilator. Ventilators became urgently needed worldwide due to the coronavirus. The remarkable part of Mr. Daly's design was the low-cost, easy-to-assemble design feature. The NVIDIA designed ventilator can be built without specialty parts for about $400, compared to most ventilators costing over $20,000. Sharing design for the ventilator may signal another opportunity for NVIDIA. Purchasing another company that introduces cash returns and offers complementary technological fusion would be optimal. NVIDIA should be staging an alternative in case the ARM deal falls through. One possibility is Synopsys. Synopsys is valued at $33.6 billion and has similar technological output to ARM. NVIDIA and Synopsys already share a symmetry following a few complementary joint ventures. The semiconductor sector is explosive and competition is grueling. NVIDIA was fortunate during 2020 because of the pandemic creating a new wave of video gaming fans. Luck will only sustain NVIDIA for so long. NVIDIA has a successful track record in acquisitions, partnerships, and leadership. NVIDIA can take charge and dominate the semiconductor market in multiple sectors where GPUs thrive. Today, we discussed 3 growing opportunities for expansion. The data center division shows excellent potential to succeed. NVIDIA is in the data center space, but an expansion would provide a solid foundation for the future. NVIDIA's management has built goodwill with the automotive industry for autonomous vehicles. The entrance signals opportunities for more auto partnerships. Attention to alternative companies if the ARM Holdings acquisition is blocked is as necessary as it is advantageous. According to NVIDIA Chief Financial Officer Colette Kress, it was time to come up with a new view that would take us into the future. Thank you for joining me today in ensuring the future of NVIDIA.